Today's video is brought to us by Omax Health. More on them later in the video. Join me for some practical homemaking. We are going to sort through the tablecloths, cook a one-pot enchilada pasta, deep clean the dryer, and finally make some whole wheat blueberry muffins. Won't you join me? Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. Practical homemaking is about getting it all done and enjoying the process. Cooking a one-pot dinner, baking for the freezer, and tackling seasonal cleaning tasks are all efficient strategies to run a home. First on the agenda, we are going to go through the tablecloths and placemats. My tablecloth storage has become a tad messy lately, and I want to go through the inventory to see if any of our table linens need to be retired. I often encourage readers to go through their closets to see if there are any worn-out things you need to retire, especially in your sleepwear and undergarment drawers. But the same holds true with nearly every category in our homes, even table linens. My little mini-me comes to join me here. I think my kids really like that we dress the table every day. They've become accustomed to it, which is a good thing. I've had some of these placemats for years. You can tell we use them nearly every day because some of them are very worn out and it's time for them to go. I'm separating what will stay and what will go, and also rediscovering some old favorites in the process, because sometimes your table linens will be stuck at the back of a shelf and you forget what you have. I'm wrapping up this task now and admire the table linens before they go back onto the shelf. Are you hungry now? Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this one-pot enchilada pasta recipe. It's seriously good. I'll leave the printable recipe for you on my blog. Add 4 cups of uncooked pasta to a large stock pot. Then add 4 cups of broth or water. Next, I add corn, chopped olives, and black beans that are drained. The corn is from the freezer. Next, I add 1 yellow pepper and 1 red pepper seeded and chopped, along with a can of diced tomatoes, and 1 can of enchilada sauce. You can use green or red. Then some taco seasoning. You can stop it here if you want to keep this vegetarian, but I'm adding cooked ground beef to the pasta to add a bit more protein. I cook this on medium-high heat for 15 minutes or until the pasta is fully cooked. I top this with shredded cheese, chopped cilantro, and green onions, and cherry tomatoes. This is delicious. such an easy recipe and one the whole family will love. Before we get into the rest of the homemaking, I'd like to thank Omax Health and their Cryo Freeze Pain Relief Roll-On for bringing us today's video. As is the case with all my sponsors, this product is the best of the best. I know a lot of you experience things like joint pain when you bend over or lean on your knees. I have two things going on, a knee injury and recurring lower back pain that's really taxing on me. So Omax created Cryo Freeze. This power-packed cryotherapy pain relief roll-on gives an Arctic blast of cooling relief for sore muscles, backaches, stiff joints, and more. Its deeply penetrating formula instantly ices out the pain with potent menthol, which soothes the pain, and organic hemp CBD, which is known for its unique therapeutic effect on cellular pain receptors. It has 10 natural pain relief ingredients which block pain signals, reduce inflammation, and improve muscle and joint flexibility. Have a look at this raw footage from a scene you will see later in the video. I'm on my knees cleaning the dryer and I get up and wince in pain. I know a lot of you over 40 experience this. The Omax Cryo Freeze really does help, and I love using it on both those trouble areas for myself. So click on my link below to get 20% off Omax Cryo Freeze and site-wide. Enter code Jennifer and the discount will apply at checkout. And now for a rather unusual cleaning task. One you not only need to do, but maybe didn't know you needed to do. Okay, I'll stop speaking cryptically. You need to frequently clean the lint out of your dryer. Have you ever looked in there? It is madness. So much lint, so many fuzzies. So I'm going to get the laundry room ready first by folding the dry tablecloths. Yes, we have tablecloths everywhere in this house. And taking out the dryer racks to give myself some room. Now I'm going to take my handy wet-dry vacuum that I love. This thing is old school. And I'm going to add this attachment that I found on Amazon. This vacuum attachment allows you to go deep in that lint trap area to get all the debris out. It's brilliant. This might take some time if you've let the debris build up in here over time. And yes, I realize my apron is not only inside out, but wrinkled too. It's just one of those homemaking days where things are getting crazy, okay? Also, I didn't even plan it, but I'm wearing another striped t-shirt on this day. Ha! But look what I'm able to get out. Yikes! Even though cleaning out the dryer might seem like an undesirable task to you, I tell you, it's actually very satisfying. If I can't get everything out with the vacuum, I bring out this crazy looking cleaning device, which I'll also leave down below. The curved nature of this scrubber thingamajig, along with the bristles, allow you to break up some of the lint down there. That then allows the vacuum attachment to finally pick it all up. I've been putting this job off for a while because it's kind of a big production, but now that I've cleaned this area, I feel the satisfaction of a job well done. And finally, let's make whole wheat blueberry coconut muffins. I've gone muffin mad over the past year. I find that making batches of muffins and keeping them in the freezer is a wonderful way to keep and enjoy baked goods. I take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and then I add 3 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. And then I add 3/4 cup sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Then I mix in about 1½ cups of blueberries. I'm using frozen ones here. Then I add some chia seeds and shredded coconut. And I add this to the muffin tin. I bake them at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Now, because I used whole wheat flour, the muffins are not as fluffy as you might like them, and they stick to the wrapper a bit more, but these are great and they freeze well. The coconut and chia are a wonderful addition. I hope you enjoyed this homemaking video and that it gave you motivation to carry on with your own practical homemaking. Thanks again to Omax Health for bringing us this video. Click on my link to get 20% off Omax Cryo Freeze and site-wide. Enter code Jennifer and the discount will apply at checkout. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.